Mixpanel or Tableau. Both giants in analytics, but if you had to pick one, which really delivers? On the left, Mixpanel, real-time user analytics for digital products. On the right, Tableau, turning your data into powerful visual stories. Let's skip the marketing talk and dive into real-world results. Each category will rack up points, and by the end, you'll know exactly who wins where. The winner might genuinely surprise you. So, before we get into the nitty-gritty, here's a mind map of what we're actually comparing. We've got core focus, ease of use, real-time analytics, integrations and data sources, collaboration and sharing, and finally, pricing. Keep these categories in mind, because honestly, that's where the real differences pop up. All right, let's kick off with core focus. So Mixpanel is obsessed with event-based analytics. And when I say obsessed, I mean deep, real-time tracking that shows you exactly how users are behaving inside digital products. Segmentation? Yeah, they do it fast, live, and super granular. Just a heads up though, if you're looking for general business analytics, Mixpanel isn't trying to be all things to all people. Now flip to Tableau. Tableau throws open the doors to data of all shapes, colors, and sizes. This thing is made for comprehensive data visualization. You want to explore sales, marketing, HR reports, basically the whole buffet, Tableau's got it. It's less about tracking users poking around a specific app, and more about giving you the big, company-wide picture. Subtle hint here, this round leans Tableau's way. Next up, ease of use. So Mixpanel starts off feeling friendly. A drag-and-drop interface, barely any code needed. For real, it's pretty smooth if you're just jumping in. Now, fair warning, once you go deeper, the interface can get a tiny bit much, not gonna lie. On the Tableau side, oh boy, customization off the charts, once you know what you're doing. The thing is, getting there, definitely a climb. Steep learning curve, plenty of data structure homework if you want those dashboards to really sing. So I'd say Mixpanel pulls ahead for quick wins and, keeping your sanity. On to real-time analytics. Okay, this is Mixpanel's playground. You want instant insights? Done. Real-time event tracking? That's basically its middle name. Sure, it's not necessarily built for months-long deep dives like Tableau, but if speed and fresh data matter, Mixpanel is your pal. Tableau, meanwhile, will get you near real-time if you schedule data refreshes and all that jazz. But it's not plugging directly into live data for those super immediate insights. So yeah, Mixpanel comfortably takes the win here. Wait, quick fun fact break. Did you know Tableau started at Stanford basically because someone wanted to make databases less boring? And Mixpanel? Yeah, that was born out of Y Combinator vibes. Pretty wild origins for both, right? Now, integrations and data sources. Mixpanel's super smooth for web and mobile apps. Plug in the SDK, you're up and running. It's quick, but honestly, a little limited to digital product streams. If you need connections to the big database pantry, you'll want more. Tableau? Oh, and here's something cool. Tableau hooks into pretty much everything. Databases, Google Sheets, AWS, the works. You could probably connect a toaster, or at least try. The catch? Some setups do take a bit of elbow grease, especially if your data lives on odd platforms. But between the two, Tableau's flexibility is kind of wild. Moving on to collaboration and sharing. Mixpanel keeps it basic. You can export, email, share reports, sure. But as for real teamwork or multi-user control, it feels more like those old-school solo projects. Tableau, on the other hand, acts like mission control for teams. You get shared dashboards, secure embeds, multi-user access, and all that. Okay, permissions can trip you up if you're not careful, but overall, Tableau just understands group work better. Last category, pricing. Mixpanel's got the freemium vibe. Small teams, students, nonprofits. There's usually a way to get rolling without crying over your budget. But heads up, as you grow, pricing can creep up, and free tier limitations pop up fast. On the Tableau side, you do have a public version, which is great if you don't mind sharing with, well, the internet. Want all the pro features or need it locked down? Paid licenses stack up quickly, and those tiers aren't exactly simple to navigate. So if you're counting pennies, Mixpanel's got some juice in this round. If we map out all the categories, it's super clear that each shines in different spots. Tableau crushes it on flexibility, integrations, and teamwork looks. Mixpanel keeps it tight with usability, instant analytics, and wallet-friendlier starting points. So, if you're asking which should I pick, here's my honest take. Mixpanel's the move for app teams, digital marketers, anyone who lives and breathes user journeys and engagement. You want deep, fast, actionable info on how your audience moves? Go Mixpanel. But if you're a big org, slicing and dicing all kinds of business data, throwing out killer visual dashboards, Tableau is seriously hard to beat.
All right, if you learned something today, let me know what analytics headaches you're dealing with. And hey, tap that follow button for more deep dive SaaS smackdowns coming your way.